In these next couple of videos, you'll see Raph putting together the breadboard. In this video clip, you can see Raph and Derek looking at the experiment and what it should look like and figuring out why ours looks different and what we need to change to our breadboard and standoff so the experiment will work properly. Here you can see that in these next couple of videos, Derek will be putting together the standoff, meanwhile Raph is putting together the breadboard. Here you can see Derek, Carmen, and Lana are all taping the standoff because we don't want any air to escape the experiment unless it's getting out through the heat sink. In these next couple of pictures, you can see the final product of the standoff and the breadboard.